sponsor. So, matagal na kami hindi nag-vlog. So, it's time for vlogging. Today is July 14, 2026. Yes. So, natutulog po si Christine and I don't know what to do, but wala lang, I just want to vlog. Want to show you our face. I am chopped, but not chopped like ugly. I am like, yeah. So, this is Rian.
Ang problema
The most cute. Yes. And the most pretty. This is Rian. She has a boyfriend. And this is my friends. My friends right here. This is Joanna and this is This is Joanna Caligdong. This is Sian Ong. Okay, so this one here is Charlene, this one is Ate Rain, this one is Pinky, and that one is Kimberly Enriquez. Yeah. So, wala tayong magagawa ngayong video, mag-vlog lang, wala lang. And ayoko mag-edit, cause why not?